Bindushree, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today's session will discuss about complements and the signed and unsigned binary number system. Okay, so first we'll discuss about the signed and unsigned binary numbers. So in the unsigned binary number, so in the binary number including the zeros and ones, so it is not depending on the signs, so that is the unsigned binary number. If you are taking the +7 or -7, whatever it is, so here it is not discussing about that sign, so that is the unsigned binary number. So coming to the signed binary number, so it has having the both positive and negative number representation. Okay, so for example in this most significant bit, so for example we are taking the number is 1010 1010. So this is the first number, first digit is the LSB, that is the least significant bit. Last digit is the MSB, most significant bit. So now I want to write the +10 value. Now I want to write the +10 value. So here in the signed binary numbers, it include the sign as well as the magnitude. Include the sign as well as the magnitude. So that sign will be represented in the MSB bit. So remaining all the bits are representing in the magnitude. So that is the, if we are taking this one, so this representation is the sign magnitude. So this is the MSB bit, sign magnitude. This remaining is the bits 1010. So here the sign is the positive sign, so it is represented in the 0. This is the +10. So in the signed magnitude representation, the MSB bit is represented as a positive or negative numbers. So the remaining bits are the 1010 is the original magnitude number. In the MSB bit is we are indicating the signs. So now I want to write the -10. -10. So in the MSB bit we are representing in the sign. In the MSB bit we are representing in the sign. Okay. So here the sign is the negative sign, so it is indicated as 1. So this is the MSB bit. So remaining bits are the 1010. This is the magnitude representation. Okay, so this is the signed binary numbers. In the signed binary numbers, it depending on the positive sign and negative sign. If the number is the positive, so in the MSB bit it is write as a 0. So if we are taking the negative sign, in the MSB bit we are writing in the 1. Okay, this is the signed magnitude representation. So in this unsigned binary representation, so either the 1's complement or 2's complement, whatever it is, so we are applying the complements of that 1. So in the signed magnitude representation, if you are applying the complements of that signed magnitude, so we are not disturbing about the signs, only we are applying the 1's and 2's complement of that particular magnitudes only. So that is the signed magnitude representation. So before writing the signed 1's complement and signed 2's complement representation, first we'll discuss about the complements. So what is the complement? So generally we are having the binary addition is there, binary subtraction is there, binary multiplication is there, binary division is there. So in the binary addition is easy to adding the two binary numbers. So coming to the binary subtraction, so in the binary subtraction is the somewhat complexity for subtracting the two binary values. So if we want to subtracting the only 2-digit number or 3-digit number, it's okay. So if you are having the more number of the bits, we want to add the more number of the if you are subtracting the more number of the binary bits, so it is a somewhat complexity. Why? Because so here we are taking the borrow of that next levels, and we are subtracting that binary values, we are getting the result. So this is the somewhat complexity. Now we want to reduce that, we want to overcome that complexity, we are going to the complements. So in this complements, so if you are taking the subtraction also, indirectly we are taking the, so we are adding the two values. So by using the complements, so we can easily perform addition, so compared to the subtraction. So in the binary subtraction is the somewhat complexity, so we want to simplify that one, we are going to the complements. So in these complements, so we are having the radix complement is there and the dimension radix complement is there. So in this radix complement, so what is the radix complement? So that is the base or radix value of that particular number system. So in this one we are taking the binary radix complement. In the binary base value is the 2 only. So here we are having the 2's complement. So next one is the dimension radix complement. So it is represented as the r minus 1's complement. So that is the 2 minus 1 complement. So in this binary complement, we are having the 1's complement as well as the 2's complement. For example, we are taking the decimal complements. In this decimal complement, decimal base or radix value is the 10. So that radix complement is the 10. So dimension radix complement 10 minus 1, 9. So here we are taking the decimal complements. Here we are taking the 9's complement as well as the 10's complement. In the binary complements, we are taking the 1's as well as the 2's complement. Coming to the hexadecimal number, so the base value is the 16 complement. 16 minus 1 is the 15's complement. So first we'll discuss about the binary system complements. So here the base value is the 2. So first we are discussing the 1's complement. So what is the 1's complement? So the 1's complement is, so if you are taking the any binary value, so in this binary number including the zeros and ones, we are applying the 1's complement of that binary value, changing the zeros to ones and ones to zeros. So that is the 1's complement. Okay, so example of this one is 0 1 0 1. So this is the original binary number. Now I want to apply the 1's complement of this binary value. So what is the 1's complement? 1's will change to the zeros as well as 0 will change to this ones. Okay, so 1 will change to this zeros, 0 will change to this 1, and 1 will change to this zeros, 0 will change to this ones. So this is the 1's complement of this binary value. Okay, so this is the 1's complement. So next example, 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. So the 1 will change to this zeros to ones. So this 1 will change to this 0, 0 will change to this 1, 1 will change to this zeros, 1 will change to this 0. So this is the 1's complement of this binary value. Okay. So next one, 2's complement. So 2's complement of the binary number is adding the 1 for the 1's complement value. First we are taking the any binary value, so applying the 1's complement of that binary value, adding the 1 to the LSB bit of this 1's complement, then we are getting the 2's complement. So we want to the 2's complement. First take the binary value, apply the 1's complement of that particular binary value. In the LSB bit we are adding the 1, we are getting the 2's complement. So that is the 2's complement of this one. Okay, 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is the original binary value. First we are applying the 1's complement. First we are applying the 1's complement. The 1's will change to zeros, zeros will change to this ones. 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so now I want to the 2's complement. In the LSB bit we are adding the 1. In the LSB bit we are adding the 1. So 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. This is the 2's complement. Okay, so in the next example, 1 0 1 0 1 1. First apply the ones complement 0 1 0 1 0 0. So in the LSB bit we are adding the 1. So 0 plus 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is the 2's complement. If you are easily write the 2's complement of this particular binary number, so for example we are taking the number is like this 1 0 0. In the first one, up to the first one we are writing the as it is of this number. Okay, here we are taking the 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. In the first bit we are having the 0, second bit also 0, in the third bit we are having the 1. So up to the first digit of that number we are writing the same value. Okay, so remaining bits we are adding the ones complement of that one. 1 0 1 0. Okay, so if this procedure is correct or not, we'll check this one. Okay, so 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. So in the normal procedure we are applying the ones complement of this one 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. So in the LSB bit we are adding the 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. So both the answers are same. Okay, so whatever the value in this first first digit of that one, so we are writing the same value. So that remaining values we are applying the zeros. Ones to zeros and zeros to ones. That means we are applying the ones complement of that one. So 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so here we are having in the first digit number is the 1 only. So write the as it is of that 1. So remaining digits we are applying the ones complement. So this is the 2's complement. So in this, okay, this is the ones complement and 2's complement of the basic procedure. So here addition using the ones complement or subtraction using the ones complement. So indirectly we are adding the two binary values. So in the first case, addition of the positive number with a negative number or addition of a positive and a negative of the binary number. Addition of a positive and a negative binary number. So initially we are taking the any binary value. Initially we are taking the any binary value or decimal value. So now I want to subtract this or adding of this 25 minus 13. So first apply the ones complement of that negative number. So if you are taking the x minus y plus x and minus y. Okay, so apply the negative number of this apply the negative number of that ones complement. So that means here we are applying the ones complement of the y value. Okay, so next whatever the value we are getting, so adding of these two values x plus ones complement of the y. So in this is the first point. So we are applying the ones complement of this negative number. In the second one, so apply the sum of this x plus ones complement of the y. After getting the result, if we are having the carry, so that carry will be added to this LSB bit. So that carry is called the end around carry. So adding that carry to this LSB bit, then we are getting the result. So after some adding of this one x plus ones complement of y, we are not getting the any carry. So then we are apply the ones complement of that resultant value. So that is the that final value we are getting the minus of that value. So if you are getting the carry, that carry will add it to the LSB bit. So that carry is denoted as the end around carry. So if you are not getting the any carry, so that again we are applying the ones complement of that particular resultant value. then we are getting the final value. So this is the procedure for applying the ones complement of that addition. Okay. So here the example is 1101 and minus 1001. So what is the first procedure? In the procedure, what is the first step? So apply the ones complement of this negative number. So here the negative number is the minus 1001. Minus 1001. So here we are not talking about the signed and unsigned binary numbers. General binary, here we are taking the general binary numbers. So now we want to apply the ones complement of this subtraction. So in this first point, we are applying the ones complement of this 1001. So 1001 ones complement, we are applying the ones complement. So in the ones complement, ones will change to the zeros, zeros will change to this ones. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is the ones complement of 1001. So this is the first step. So coming to the second step, adding the 1101, adding the 1101 plus ones complement of this 1001. Okay, so 1101 plus ones complement of 1001. Okay, so 1101. So ones complement of 1001 is 0110. Okay, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, again 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0. So here we are having the carry. So this carry is called the end around carry. This carry is called the end around carry. So this carry will added in this LSB bit. Okay, 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0. The final answer is the 0100. Okay, so now we'll check this answer is correct or not. So what is the value of this one? 1101 and 1001. So this is the 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 9. Okay, so here 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 13. So 13 minus 9. So 4. So this value is equal to the 4. Okay. So positive minus negative sign means large number minus smaller number, we are getting the plus 4. So this is the main important one. So if you are getting the carry, that carry is added in the LSB bit, we are getting the resultant value. For example, in the next one, okay, in the next case, adding the positive value with a negative value in the case of the negative number has a higher magnitude. So that means when the negative number has a greater magnitude, means smaller number minus greater number. In the first case, greater minus smaller number, normal procedure. So in the second case smaller number minus greater number. So same procedure, here also we are applying the same procedure. First apply the ones complement of that negative number. Okay, so adding of this original number plus ones complement of that negative number. After adding these two values, we are getting the any carry. So that carry is added to this LSB bit. So that is the end around carry. Okay. So next one, if you are not getting the any value, if you are not getting the any carry, so again we are applying the ones complement of that value. Okay. So we'll see the procedure. So 1101 minus 1110. So this value is the 13. This value is 14, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 8 plus 14. 13 minus 14, so we are getting the minus 1. So we'll check this one. So in the first procedure, so apply the ones complement of 1110. Ones complement of 1 1 1 0. So ones will change to this zeros, zeros will change to this ones. 0 0 0 1. Okay, so ones complement of 1 1 1 0 is the 0 0 0 1. Okay, so in the second step, adding these two bits, original number 1 1 0 1 plus ones complement of 1 1 1 0. Okay, so here 1 1 0 1. So ones complement of 1 1 1 0 is 0 0 0 1. Okay, now adding these two bits. So 1 plus 1 1 0 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 0. So here we are not having the any carry. So now we are applying the ones complement of this resultant value. Now we are applying the ones complement of this resultant value. So applying the ones complement of the resultant value. Okay, so here the 1 1 1 0 is there. So now applying the ones complement of this one. So zeros will change it to this ones. 1 will change it to 0, 1 will change it to 0, 1 will change it to this 0. So 0 0 0 1. So this is the minus of that resultant value. So here we are getting the minus 1. Okay, 13 minus 14 equal to 1 minus 1. Okay, so here also we are not having the any carry. Again we are applying the ones complement of that value. So we are getting the minus 1. We are getting the minus 1. Okay, so this is the procedure for addition of this ones complement. Okay, only we are having the two cases are there. Positive number minus greater number minus the smaller number, and the smaller number minus greater number. So we are applying the same procedure for both the cases. So in the first case we are applying the ones complement of that particular negative values. In the second one, adding the original number plus ones complement of that value. After adding that one, in the resultant value we are getting the any carry. So that is called the end around carry. So that carry will added in the LSB bit. Okay, again we are getting the resultant value. So if you are not getting the any carry, so then we are applying the ones complement of that resultant value. So that is the negative of that value. So this is the addition of this ones complement. Okay, so next one is addition and subtraction using the twos complement. Okay, so in this ones complement also we are taking the subtraction of that particular two values. So indirectly we are adding the two binary values. So for we want to reduce that complexity of that one, we are adding these two bits. Okay, so in this case same procedure, same cases also here also we are applying the same cases. So larger number minus smaller number and smaller number minus larger number. So in this first case, addition of the positive number with a negative number when the positive number has a greater magnitude. That means, so here we are taking the greater number minus smaller number. Here also almost same procedure we apply in the ones complement of that same procedure we are applying the twos complement also. So initially applying the twos complement of that particular number. In the second step, adding the two bits means that positive number plus twos complement of this negative number. So next, adding these two bits, here we are applying the any carry. So we are neglecting that carry value. Okay, in the twos complement we are getting the carry. So we are eliminating that carry. We are ignoring that carry. Okay, so if you are not getting the any carry value, so again we are apply the twos complement of that resultant value. So in the ones complement we are getting the any carry. That carry will added in the LSB bit. So in the twos complement we are getting the any carry. ignoring that carry. If you are not getting the any carry value, again we are apply the 2's complement of that one. This is the difference between the 1's complement addition or subtraction and the 2's complement addition and subtraction. Okay, this is the one example for the 2's complement. 1101 minus 1001. So again 13 minus 9. Okay, so in this first one, apply the 2's complement of the 1001. Apply the 2's complement of 1001. So what is the procedure? So this is the original binary value. First apply the 1's complement of this one. 1's will change to zeros. Zeros will change to this 1. So in the LSB bit we are adding the 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement. This is the 2's complement of this 1001. So in the second step, adding the 1101 plus 2's complement of this value. Okay, 1101. So 2's complement of 1001 is 0, 111. Okay, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1. Again 1, 0. Okay, so here we are having the carry. So ignoring that carry. Ignore that carry. So this is the final resultant value. So 13 minus 9 equal to 4. So here also this 4, 0100 is equal to this 4. Okay, so in the 2's complement we are having the any carry value. So ignore that carry and write the final answer. Okay, so next one, addition of the positive value with a negative value when the negative number has a higher magnitude. This means, so here we are subtracting the smaller number minus greater number. So subtracting means in the complements we are adding these 2 bits. So here also we are applying the same procedure. So in the first step, apply the 2's complement of that particular binary value. Next step, adding the 1's complement, adding the original binary value plus 2's complement of that value. So again we are getting the one resultant value. So if that resultant value having the carry, ignore that carry. We are not having the any carry value, then we are apply the 2's complement of that one. Finally we are getting the resultant value. So that is the negative value of that value. So 1101 minus 1110. So this one is the 13 minus 14. Okay, so minus 1. So in the first step, so apply the 2's complement of the negative number. Apply the 2's complement of negative number. That negative number is the 1110. So now I want to the 2's complement. So first apply the 1's complement. First apply the 1's complement. Zeros will change to these 1's. So now I want to the 2's complement. In the LSB bit we are adding the 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0. So in the second one, so adding the 1101 plus 2's complement of the 1110. So 2's complement of 1110. So now adding these 2 bits, 1101, 1110. Okay, so 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 plus. So here 1's complement of the 1110 is 00, 10. So 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1. So here we are having the no carry. So now we are applying the 2's complement of this one. So now I want to apply the 2's complement of this one. First apply the 1's complement. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So now I want to the 2's complement. In the LSB bit we are adding the 1 0 0 0. So this is the 2's complement. So final value is negative of the answer minus 1. Okay, this is the procedure for adding or subtracting the negative value smaller number minus larger number. Okay, so here we are not having the any carry. So again we are apply the 2's complement of this resultant value, we are getting the answer. So in the 2's complement, if you are having the any carry, ignore that carry. This is the 2's complement of the addition and subtraction. Next one is the 9's complement. So this is the decimal system complements. So here the base value is the 10. We are having the 10's complement, and 10 minus 1 9's complement is there. So in the 9's complement, so you are applying the 9's complement of that particular decimal value. So we want to subtract with the 9 of that particular decimal value, then we are getting the 9's complement. So here we are taking the example is the 1423. 1423. Now I want to apply the 9's complement of this particular number. So this is the decimal value 1423. So now I want to apply the 9's complement of this one. So subtract with the 9. So 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 5 6. So this is the 9 minus 1 8. This is the 9's complement of the 1423. Okay, so in this 9's complement of this one, each and every digit subtracting with the 9. Each and every digit subtracting with the 9, then we are getting the 9's complement. So coming to this 10's complement. So coming to this 10's complement. So first apply the 9's complement. Next in the LSB bit we are adding the 1, then we are getting the 10's complement. So for example, now I want to apply the 10's complement of same number 1423. So what is the first step? So apply the 9's complement of this one. So that means subtracting with the 9 and each and every digit. Okay, 9999 1423. 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 2 7, 5 8. So now I want to the 10's complement of this one. So adding the 1 in the LSB bit, 7 7 5 8. So this is the 10's complement of this 1423. So coming to this one, 9's complement subtraction. So here also same procedure. If you are taking the any negative number of that one, we are applying the 9's complement of that value. Okay, so next step, adding these 2 bits, again we are getting the some value. So if we are having the carry, that carry is added in the LSB bit, then we are getting the resultant value. So if we are not having the any carry, so again we are apply the 9's complement of that resultant value, then we are getting the original final value. So in the first step, when the subtrahend is smaller than the minute, so this is the procedure. So first one we are taking the smaller number from the larger number using the 9's complement. Apply the 9's complement of the subtrahend, adding these two values. Okay, so will the resultant value in the having the carry, that carry will added in this LSB bit. Okay, we'll see the one example. 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15. So what is the first step of this one? So apply the 9's complement of this negative value. 9's complement of this negative value. So 9's complement of 15. Okay, so each and every digit subtracting with the 9. So 99 minus 15. So 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 1 8. So this is the 9's complement of this one. So what is the second step? adding these two numbers, 23 plus 9's complement of 15. So 23 plus 84. 8 plus 4 7, 8 plus 2 10. Now adding this carry into the LSB bit, so that is the 08. So what is the value of 23 minus 15? 8. 23. So here also we are getting the 08. Okay. So this is the one procedure. So in this case 2, so 15 minus 23. 15 minus 23. So what is the first step? So in this first step, apply the 9's complement of the negative values. That is the 9's complement of the 23. 9's complement of 23. So 99 minus 23. So 9 minus 3 6. 9 minus 2 7. 76. In the second step, adding these two bits, 15 plus 9's complement of 23. So what we are getting? 9's complement of 23 is the 76. Okay. 6 plus 5, 11. 91. 91. So here we are not having the any carry. Now we are applying the 9's complement of this resultant value. So again 9's complement of resultant value. So means each and every digit subtracting with the 9. So 91. 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 9 0. So here we are applying the 9's complement of this one, that is the minus of the original value. So 15 minus 23 is the minus 8. So here also we are getting the minus 8. Okay. This is the 9's complement of the smaller number minus larger number, as well as the larger number minus smaller number. Next one is the 10's complement. Already we discussed the 10's complement. In the first step, apply the 9's complement of the original value, adding the 1 in the LSB bit, then we are getting the 10's complement. So first one, subtraction using the 10's complement when the subtrahend is the smaller than minute. Okay. So here also two steps, greater the number minus smaller number, as well as the smaller number minus greater number. So when the subtrahend is a smaller than minute, so first apply the 10's complement of that negative number. Next one, adding the original number plus 10's complement of that binary value. So in the resultant we are getting the any carry. So ignore that carry. Ignore that carry, writing the original value. So if you are not getting the any carry, again we are apply the 10's complement of that resultant value. Okay. So maximum we are applying the greater number minus smaller number. Maximum here we are getting the carry. So if that carry is there, ignore that carry. So in the second case, when we are having the smaller number minus larger number, so whatever the number they are giving, apply the 10's complement of that particular number, adding the 2 bits. Again we are getting the one resultant value. So in this resultant value we are not having the any carry. Again we are apply the 10's complement of that one. Okay. So that value is the negative of that number. Okay. So see the example. In this first example, 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15. So in the first step, apply the 10's complement of this negative value. So we want to the 10's complement of that one. First apply the 9's complement of that value. So each and every digit subtracting with the 9. 99 minus 15. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now I want to the 10's complement of this one. In the LSB bit we are adding the 185. Okay, so what is the second step? So apply the first one 20 plus 10's complement of this 15. We are getting the 85. So 20 plus 85. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 10 is 1, 0. So here we are having the carry. In the 10's complement, ignore that carry. Ignore that carry. So here we are getting the 5. So 20 minus 15 is the 5 only. So here also we are getting the 5. Okay. So in the second case, 30 minus 70. Normal subtraction, we are getting the 40. 30 minus 70, we are getting the 40. Okay. So in the first step, apply the 10's complement of this negative value. So now I want to apply the 10's complement of this one. First apply the 9's complement this one. So each and every digit subtracting with the 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7, 2. So in the LSB bit we are adding the 1, 30. In the second step, original value 30 plus 10's complement of 70. So we are getting the 30. So now 30 plus 30, we are getting the 60 only. So here we are not having the any carry. So no carry. So if you are not having the any carry, so again we are apply the 10's complement of this one. So we want the 10's complement of this one. So again subtracting with the 9's. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6 is 39. 39 plus, in the LSB bit we are adding the 140. So this is the minus 40. 30 minus 70 equal to minus 40. So here also we are getting the minus 40. So these all are the 1's complement, 2's complement as well as the 9's, 10's complement, addition and subtraction procedure. These all the complements for the unsigned binary numbers. So here we are not talking about the either the signed or unsigned binary numbers. So coming to this signed binary numbers. So in the signed binary numbers also we are applying the 1's complement and 2's complement of this one. Okay. So each and every signed binary number including the sign value and the magnitude value. Okay. So now I want to find this one. So for example, so here we are writing the any sign value. This is the sign magnitude. So if you are taking the any value, so for example plus 4 is there. So in this plus 4, so in this MSB bit we are having the represented as in the sign representation. Plus is there, so that is the 0. So in this 4, here I am taking the 4 bit of that number 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now I want to write the minus 4 value. So this value is the 0 1 0 0. So this is the LSB bit, this is the MSB bit. Here it will be represented in the sign also. So in this minus 1 is there. So this is the negative sign. So now I want to apply the 1's complement of these values. Only we are applying the 1's complement and the 2's complement in the magnitude only. So we are not disturbing the sign values. So in this first step I want to apply the 1's complement of minus 4. 1's complement of minus 4. As it is sign, we are using the same sign. Only we are applying the 1's complement of this one only. So that means zeros will change it to ones, ones will change it to zeros. 1 1 0 1. This is the ones complement of this minus 4. Again I want to apply the 2's complement of minus 4. So the MSB bit, so that is indicated as a sign. As it is, we are writing the same sign. And here we are applying the 2's complement of this original plus 4 value. So already we are applying the 1's complement of this one. So again we are getting the 2's complement. Adding the 1, 1 0, 1 0, 1 1. So this is the 2's complement of this value. So in the plus 4 also, we are not disturbing this sign value. Only we are applying the 1's complement, 2's complement in the magnitude of this one value only. For example, taking the plus 10. Plus 10. So in the MSB bit, it will be indicated the sign. So that plus is 0. So remaining values are the 1 0 1 0. Similarly, I will take the minus 10. So in this negative sign indicate the 1. Sign indicate the 1. Okay. Remaining value is the 1 0 1 0. So now I want to apply the 1's complement. 1's complement of this one. So as it is, sign will be used. Same sign, same MSB bit. We are writing the same MSB bit. So we are not disturbing that sign value. Only we are applying the 1's complement of this resultant value. So 0 will change it to this 1's, 1's will change it to this 0's. Again we are applying the 2's complement of this one. 2's complement of this one. Same sign here we are writing. So here we are applying the 1's complement, adding the 1 in the LSB bit, 1 in the LSB bit of that 1's complement. 1 plus 1 1 0 1 1 0. This is the 2's complement. So each and every value, so the sign bit is the same value, only we are changing the remaining magnitude values. We are applying the either the 1's complement or 2's complement. This is the sign magnitude representation. In the unsigned, so here we are using the positive sign. So here also we are applying the 1's and 2's complement of this particular number only. So we are not disturbing this sign magnitude. So this is the signed and unsigned binary numbers and the complements of the binary system and decimal number system. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.